Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect TradingView to Topstep. If you have an old Topstep account that still runs on Tradivate, you can still connect it to TradingView using the original method. To do this, you log into Tradivate with your Topstep username and password. Inside Tradivate, make sure the TradingView add-on is active in the settings. After that, open TradingView in your browser. Go to any chart, open the trading panel at the bottom, choose Tradivate from the list of brokers and log in. When the login is successful, your Topstep account will show up in TradingView. For new accounts, things work differently. Topstep now uses a platform called Topstep-X for all new combines and funded accounts. Topstep-X includes TradingView-powered charts inside the platform. This means you do not connect to TradingView separately. You do not use Tradivate. Instead, you log into Topstep-X and begin trading directly from the built-in charts. The charting tools, indicators, order entry, and position tracking are all in one place. It feels similar to TradingView because the charts are based on the same engine, but everything happens inside Topstep-X. Thanks for watching.